Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to download the Stockfish app for iOS and Android so you can like cheat in chess. But I know that you guys don't know how to get it, so I'm going to show you guys how to get it on your iPhone for free. This also works on Android. Just go to zoomodds.com and type in Stockfish, and there it is, Stockfish Mobile. So we're going to press on it and it's going to start downloading. So you just want to wait for it to download here, as you can see. Um, shouldn't take that long, so let's just give it a second here, as you can see. Now, before it downloads, there is going to be a little like verification you have to do, which is very easy, but I'm going to walk you guys through the entire process so you know exactly how to do it. So as you can see, it says please install 2 free apps to automatically install the mod. So they're going to show you like 4 apps, and you just want to download 2 of them and make sure you read them. So Evertail says down install, run for 30 seconds, but then Family Island says reach level 10. So they're all like different. And I'm in the US, so if you're in another country, you might have like 100% different apps altogether. But just press tap to install, it'll bring you to the App Store, and you just have to download it. I did the Family Island, where you have to reach level 10, but it isn't that hard. It's just a one-time thing. So anyway, guys, after you do the verification, you should get your Stockfish app on your device. You can see down here it says check completion, so it is like looking to make sure you did it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I've been looking for like some sort of iOS version of this app for quite some time, and this actually works. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video. So yeah, be sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and peace out.